Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, breakouts can lead to some of the biggest moves in the market, but most traders get trapped in fakeouts, right? So if you've ever entered a breakout trade only to see price reverse against you, then you are not alone, okay? It happens. It happens sometimes. You can see this is a good example here. You can see what happened here. This was a significant resistance zone. Can you see that? That we had a significant resistance zone here. Now, price initially broke out of this resistance zone and rose all the way up to this place. So if you had entered a buy trade thinking that, a bullish move was going to continue, then guess what? you would have you would have gotten stopped out perhaps, or been in a loss by now, because you can see that we had a reversal and then you can see that we had a breakout from the support. Can you see we had a breakout from this support and you can see the price is now declining? Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to be breaking down the right way to trade breakouts using price action. No indicators, no guesswork, just pure market structure and smart entries. All right. So by the end of this video, you'll know the difference between real breakouts and fake outs. And also you're going to know how to use price action to confirm breakout trades. Also, you're going to know the best entry and exit strategies for trading breakouts. And finally, you're going to learn how to spot high probability breakout zones. Okay, so before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. All right, let us dive right in. Now, many traders chase breakouts. Chase breakouts the moment price moves above resistance or below support. But here's the problem, right? Here's the problem. Not all breakouts are real, okay? Why do fake outs happen? You might be asking. One, liquidity grabs. Institutions push price beyond a level to trigger stops before reversing. Secondly, it could be as a result of a low volume breakout. It could be a low volume breakout. If a breakout happens without momentum, it's likely to fail. All right. And thirdly, it could be that you are entering too early. Just because price breaks a level does not mean that the breakout will hold. Okay, so smart traders wait for confirmation. Instead of jumping in blindly, they look for price action signals that prove the breakout is valid. All right, now not all breakouts are the same. Okay, the best breakouts happen in areas where there is strong market interest and where price has built up energy before the move. So what makes a breakout strong? The first is a build up of price. When you have a consolidation, you can see what happened here. You can see that we had a consolidation here, right? The longer price consolidates, the stronger the breakout, right? Then you watch out for volume increases. Watch out for volume increases. Okay, let me just show volumes. All right, so you watch out for volume increases. A breakout with strong momentum is more likely to hold. Then after a retest, you have to watch out for a retest after the breakout. When price pulls back and respects the broken level, then the breakout is real. But in the situation whereby there was no retest, right? Let's see if we can find an example where we had a breakout and a retest. Okay. Okay, I think we had something like that around here. You can see that we have a resistance zone here, right? And then you can see that we had a breakout, and you can see this, you can see what happened here. You can see that there was a retest before a continuation. See, there was a breakout and there was a retest here. Then we had a continuation in the direction of the breakout. Okay, so ensure that you always have a retest, which is when price pulls back and respects the broken level before you enter. Okay, that shows that the breakout is real. Avoid weak breakout. If price breaks a level but moves too slowly or lacks momentum, it's likely to fail. Now that you understand how to identify real breakouts, let us talk about entry and exit strategies. Okay, for the entry strategy, wait for price to break a key level with strong momentum. Okay, then you look for a retest. All right, wait for a retest. Instead of entering immediately, wait for price to come back to the breakout level. Okay, instead of entering immediately, just wait for price to come back to the breakout level. Then you confirm with price action. Look for rejection candles. You can see that we had a rejection candle here. Can you see that? You can see this rejection candle. So look for a rejection candle or any other, reversal candlestick pattern to confirm that breakout and retest. Okay, to confirm that retest. All right, then you enter the trade in the direction of the breakout right after the rejection candle has formed, or the reversal candlestick pattern, whatever it is, whether it's an engulfing or a pin bar, or whatever candlestick pattern. Then you set your stop loss just below the breakout if it's a buy trade, or if it's a sell trade, you set it just above the breakout. Then for your take profit target, your first target could be the next major resistance or support. So you can see in this case, these are first targets. Then for your second target, you can just use a trailing stop to let the trade run if momentum continues. So by waiting for a retest, you avoid getting trapped in fake outs and you enter at a better price. Now, some common mistakes to avoid include chasing breakouts. If you enter too soon, you will likely get caught in a fake move. Okay, so do not enter too soon. Always wait for a retest. And then do not ignore volume. Low volume breakouts often fail. And finally, do not place your stop losses too close. Smart money targets obvious stop loss zones. Okay, so try to outsmart them. Now, avoid these mistakes and you're going to increase your success rate when trading breakouts with price action. So if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more trading strategies. Comment below, have you ever been caught in a fake breakout? Let me know your experience. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update, okay? In the meantime, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.